Let me just just taking you through the slides. Episode 1, idea with a big bang. Then episode 2 was about with Radhakrishna Pillai. Then 3 with Professor Ajay Pathak. 4 was about Bollywood learnings. 5 was about intellectual properties. 6 was with the youth. 7 was on fundamental analysis. 8th one was all the top women personalities in our wealth management industry. 9th episode was about niche marketing. 10th was about whether we should go for RIA or MFD or both. 11th was about student and youth. 12th was about people who are in stockbroking and also into mutual fund distribution. 13th was about how to deal with HNIs and ultra HNIs. 14th was about succession planning. 15th was about global investment through global platforms. And 15th was again because all of us need to really interact with HR, and that is what we have done in last few years or months, because they are the right people whom we should connect. And that is what we invited some of the HRs whom we have connected and some of our industry veterans to talk about asset allocation and also the game which was launched last week. So let's have a little recap and then over to Pankaj Geraji. I think somehow it is not working, so let's skip that. Let me try last time.
While we started session, I'm happy to say, no, we were thinking digital as a separate wellness. And while yesterday, while I spoke to Ayon, Shruja, and other panel members, we came back and we realized that digital has taken away everything which we are doing now.
The other side is how financially you are secured when it comes to your workplace, right? We've seen a lot of disruption that has happened in the last 8-10 months. There have been salary cuts, there have been job losses, and people have taken quite a few impact there.
Today I feel that as an HR professional where we were managing employee management cycle, today I feel as HRs we are managing employee life cycle management in terms of managing his entire life. What he is doing currently for managing is helping him set his priorities when he's working from home.
Communication is definitely crucial, but more than that, it is crucial from the part of the organization with the intent, content, and the channels that you are choosing.
So logistics issues were there, and even though that we had support team who had really persistently, worked and amid a crisis from their home.
So this is something which is there. Now, what you all have to do is take your phone, switch on your camera, and just scan the barcode over here. Okay.
So I think that was the starting point, and the next level that it went to is the efficient frontier theory, and the optimization models by Harry Markowitz and the rest in the 1950s and 60s, which are even today used by many of the wealth managers, using those software systems to do optimization of portfolios across asset allocation.
It's like, for advisors, it's a review or rebalance. Asset allocation is not to maximize the returns, but reduce the risk.
And we should ask on 23rd March whether we followed it or not. We should ask in January whether we followed it or not. And we should ask that today we are following it or not. When market is at all-time high, whether we are following it or not.
I remember when I joined 34 years back in UTI, and the trainer, in our induction class told, I'm telling that time also valid, now also valid. If you will not do asset allocation, you will be an ass at all location.
If you ask me, anybody who has to essentially be successful in terms of reaching his financial goals, the heart of it is asset allocation. If he doesn't get that right,
So yes, here we are. So may I now request Pankaj to please share. You can now share your slides also, and go ahead. Over to you, Pankaj.
Good evening, friends. I would suggest to make it more interactive by sharing on your chat boxes. So I'll be reading the chats along with it, but it is very important for me to understand your feedback, and let's take it as it's happens. So I would only suggest that keep chatting, and let's do that. I'm just trying to, yes, the chat is also open for me. So good evening, everybody. Can I have good evening from everybody, or hello or something, so that I can know that everybody is kicking in alive right now on the chat box, please. Great. Good evening, Varel. Good evening, Nivas. Good evening, Harish. Good evening, everybody. So, hi. Great, sir. Great to know that we are kicking and alive. Wow, Sharma ji. Wow, that's great. 49 people. The people are growing. It's amazing to see that all of us are here on a Saturday and to share our learning, to share our growth. So that's really amazing about it. Thank you very much, Siddharth. Thank you, Danny. Thank you, everybody who's writing hello. You see, just to share, Namaskar, Bhavesh ji. I'll just share my journey. I started into investment and mutual fund distribution like an insurance advisor, and then I graduated. I did CFP in 2000. I think there was the first batch we passed out CFP, and so we started practicing. We came into the mutual fund distribution, and so over the last I was working it as a sort of a part-time basis. It was only on the 1st January 2010 I stopped working and I took it as a full-time profession. When I left the job, I was working with Havells India Limited. I was the business head for the vertical, CFL vertical. हमारे फादर पूछते थे कि बेटे पागल तो नहीं हो गया, सब ठीक ठाक तो है. उसके बाद भी उनको लगता था कि शायद I may not be able to sustain, and he always used to do that. But thanks God, I never had to look back, and I never had to turn up. And the life has been so great. It has been so, I've been so blessed by the clients I have who have joined my journey. कहते हैं ना, अकेले चलते गए, कारवां जुड़ता गया और एक पूरा circle एक हमारा बन गया. So it has been so amazing. So that's something which is there. So you see, one of the thing, हम जो role play करते हैं, you see, as an advisor, हम as an advisor तो नहीं, आज की डेट में MFD बोलेंगे. MFD is the right word. Mutual fund distributor. What are the various roles we play? I'll be sharing some of the roles in case आपके पास में कोई role miss कर जाऊँ तो do let me know. The first role we play is एज ए सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव, सेल्स पर्सन, हम लोगों को मिलते हैं, उनसे चाहे डिजिटली मिलते हैं चाहे ऑनलाइन मिलते हैं, वी बिकम द सेल्स, वी ट्राई टू मूव द इन्वेस्टमेंट, वी डू द बुक कीपिंग। जो खासतौर से जीएसटी रिटर्न करते हैं वो हर महीने अपनी बैंक स्टेटमेंट या वो अपने अकाउंटेंट को भेज रहे होते हैं ताकि जीएसटी रिटर्न या अपनी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी निकालना। सो वी ऑल्सो प्ले द रोल ऑफ बुक कीपिंग, अकाउंट्स का काम करते हैं, एचआर का काम करते हैं, टीम हमको रिक्रूट करनी है, अपनी टीम का हमको हाइक देना है, उसका अप्रेजल करना है। So we are the single-handed person who are doing it. Now, some people would have team, but I'm talking about most of the people. We do that, and so इसके अलावा HR के अलावा we also look at the administration. अगर वहाँ पर 1 या 2 या 3 बंदे हैं, उनके अटेंडेंस का रिकॉर्ड रखना, मॉर्निंग में आते हैं आज ऑफिस में सफाई करी नहीं करी, ऑफिस का अपकीप रखना। So and we don the head of administration. मार्केटिंग करते हैं, खुद ही हम डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कर रहे होते हैं, फेसबुक पे अपनी वीडियोस बना के पोस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, चैट कर रहे होते हैं, खुद ही हम लेके खड़े होते हैं। सो एज ए म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, सिंगल एंटिटी, वी माइट हैव अ टीम ऑफ 1 to 3 पीपल, एंड वी ऑल्सो सर्विस द क्लाइंट। क्लाइंट का फोन आ गया कि मुझे स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट चाहिए, कैपिटल गेन चाहिए, आज की डेट में टैक्स रिटर्न फाइलिंग का टाइम आया हुआ है, सो एवरीबडी इज आस्किंग फॉर मुझे कैपिटल गेन का स्टेटमेंट दे दिए रिटर्न फाइलिंग करने के लिए। We also do the research part. हम probably महीने में 1 बारी, 2 बारी, 3 बारी, depending on how much time we have, बैठ करके हम स्टडी करते हैं कि which are the good mutual fund schemes, अभी इक्विटी कैसा चल रहा है, डेट कैसा चल रहा है। उसके अलावा हम स्कीम्स के एनालिसिस के लिए we also give the training to our team member और also take the training from our various people. So we keep on doing that. So these are the various roles which we are playing in our day-to-day life. But do you think that times are changing and do you feel pressurized? Yes, I do feel that, हम लोगों से उनकी रिटायरमेंट की बात करते हैं, लेकिन हम क्या अपनी रिटायरमेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं? Do we ever think about when are we going to retire, or we will continue to work on that? So that's a very, very pertinent question. We need to think that we are responsible for retirement of our customer, but who's going to be responsible for my retirement? Who's going to help me in my retirement? So that is one question which which keeps on doing. इसके अलावा ऑल्सो वी प्ले द रोल ऑफ आईटी का, हार्डवेयर कौन सा खरीदना है, लैपटॉप खराब हो गया लैपटॉप लेना है, कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर, कौन सा रेड विजन का लेना है, इन्वेस्टमेंट का सॉफ्टवेयर लेना है। सो वी बिकम द टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट इन आवर टीम बिजनेस एंड वी डू दैट। वी ऑल्सो बिकम परचेज मैनेजर, आज हमको कोई गिफ्टिंग करना है, अपने कस्टमर को देना है। So these are the various roles which we are playing, and we have been playing it very efficiently for the last how many years you have been into this? 5 years, 10 years. For me, my journey started in 2003-04. So it is about 16, 17 years I have been playing all these roles. Though I have a team, I have been helped by my wife who takes care of my administration, and some part is totally delegated to her. So that's what we look at it. So yes, Darola ji, we believe that my investments will look after my retirement, but what does the retirement mean? What is the meaning of retirement? Now, it might mean a different thing to a different person. Now, for some people, retirement means that we might be wanting to do something else. We are able to make our time free. So, what is the retirement in store for us? And चूंकि हम सब business owner है, all of us are running our businesses. And when we are running our businesses, we set our goals. हम अपने goals set करते हैं. Now, goals can be quantitative, it can be qualitative. Now, when we talk about quantitative goal, it can be कि मैं इतना AUM achieve करना चाहता हूँ, या मैं इतने की SIP book चाहता हूँ. At the end of the year, I should have so much of the SIP book. Yeah, it can be so much income I want to earn. I want to reach to an income of 1 crore per month or 1 crore per year, whatever is the income goal. We also at times take an activity goal. जो अभी कनक जी को बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद जो उन्होंने goals book डायरी भेजी है. Basically, this helps us is in planning our activity goals कि क्या-क्या goals हमको करने हैं चाहिए. What are the goals we need to set? But there can be qualitative goals also. Qualitative goals need not necessarily have some numbers to them. Like I want to become the most preferred financial partner. I want to give a one-stop solution. So there can be qualitative goals, there can be quantitative goals, because it is the goals which drives us into our business. So what sort of goals we wish to do that. So अब ये goal achieve करने के लिए what are the options we have? You see, now what are the options we have? कि हम पहले क्या होता था, customer से मिलते थे. I am sure everybody would be meeting their prospects and customer, and we used to try to increase the prospect funnel को करते थे कि आप 10 को मिल रहे हैं, 5 को मिल रहे हैं और कर रहे हैं. आप उसमें से 2 या 3 closing होते थे. We are also now trying to make our social media presence. हम चाहे वो अपना Instagram पे कर रहे हैं, LinkedIn पे presence बना रहे हैं, हमने YouTube channel launch कर रखा है. Now, what are the other options? Building a team. So I'm sure most of us would have at least one member in our team, and depending upon क्या-क्या काम करते हैं, उसके हिसाब से आप team build up करते हैं. Some of us are doing a tie-up, like जो कनक जी ने last time हमारे को HR का बताया था that we need to do a tie-up. So we do a tie-up with the HR team of the corporate so that we are able to give presentations over there. So that's basically a tie-up. The last and most important, which of late came, is a collaborate. Now, what is let us understand collaborate. What is the meaning of collaborate? If I look at the dictionary meaning of the collaborate, it's basically the action of working with someone to produce something. So you are not working alone, you are working with someone to produce something. Collaboration is a working practice wherein individuals work together for a common purpose. Now, common purpose is basically betterment of our customer to achieve business benefit. Now, collaboration enables individuals to work together to achieve defined and common business purpose. So हम सबका एक common business, एक common thread होता है. Now mostly it is the जो हमारा customer, it should get better service on that. So that's what is a collaboration, that all we were working for one common cause. Now you must be wondering how do we do a collaboration upon? Now, how do we do a collaboration? अभी तक आप कैसे कर रहे हो? You might be collaborating with a chartered accountant. You might be collaborating with an insurance advisor. कि भैया आप मैं म्यूचुअल फंड संभालूंगा, आप उनका इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी देखिए. You might be collaborating with a lawyer कि जो will का काम करते हैं, estate planning का काम करते हैं. या you might be collaborating with the HR person of a corporate कि for conducting the HR के अंदर session करने के लिए. Some of us are collaborating with the doctors in the hospitals कि जहाँ से आपको health insurance का business आता हो या आप doctors के लिए आप काम करते हो. So that is what we do that. So these are the various collaborations of what we do that. Now let me bring it to, was a very general kind of a talk. Now let me come to the specific. In our case, what has happened? Now this is a very specific case now coming. Basically, all four of us, we started CFP together. So 2007-8 के अंदर हम सब पहले बैच के थे. So we started together. CFP इकट्ठे करने से क्या हो गया कि हमारा काफी कुछ प्रोसेसेस एक जैसे हो गए. हमारा क्लाइंट ऑनबोर्डिंग एक जैसा हो गया. प्रोसेस हमने एक जैसे करना शुरू कर दिया. So and including the technology, all four of us are using Investwell का ही हम प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करते हैं. So that एक कम्युनिटी आ गया. चारों के अपने ऑफिस हैं. All four of us are operating for our own office. Now together we have 6 people in the operations. So each one of us has an operation team. Each one of us manages a website and हम सब ने अपने आप clients को online दे रखा है. Each one of us uses a research software. हम 2 बंदे एक ही research software यूज करते हैं. Engine हो गया, Investwell हो गया, और भी Morningstar हो गया. So हर कोई अपना research software यूज करता है. Together we service about 2,000 odd investors, and together we have about 300 crore of the AUM that we are managing. So what is happening is that हम चारों काम कर रहे हैं, एक ही काम कर रहे हैं. एक ही तरीके से हम अपने म्यूचुअल फंड की रिसर्च करते हैं, एक ही तरीके से हम कस्टमर को अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, और हम सब एक वो जा रहे हैं कि we want the customer to do that. So then we came to that, यार how can we do the optimization of the cost by sharing? We formed a study circle. हमारा study circle और alternate Wednesday को मिलता है, and we share in ideas. So we thought that when we are doing the same thing, why can't we optimize our resources? How can we create an organization structure so that the client servicing continues on that? Now, you please understand, हम आज किसी भी कस्टमर के पास जाके अगर मैं आज अप्रोच कर रहा हूँ कस्टमर के पास, कस्टमर को we give them a unwritten, एक हम उसको belief दिलाते हैं कि we are going to take care of your retirement planning. Now, please understand, if I am already 50-55 and my customer is 30-year-old, and I'm telling that your retirement will be taken care of, his retirement will come after 30 years, whereas by the time he was going to retire, I'm going to be 70-75. Whether I'll be there, or how can I ensure that his retirement, he doesn't have to look for a new IFA or mutual fund distributor को ढूंढना ना पड़े कि वो अपनी retirement planning कर सके. So we need to create an organizational structure which runs beyond me and which creates जो हमने एक इतना 12, 13, 15, 20 साल का हमने जो मेहनत करके we have created a structure, we have हमने जो customer base create किया, how do we ensure the continuity of that? And the last was that how do I ensure my own retirement? Now I am very happy and I would be very glad to help people. But can I continue to do that till the last stage of my life, or whether I would also like to take a break and I would also like to probably enjoy my life and take vacation. जब मैं दूसरों के vacation की planning करता हूँ, तो how can I can make my own vacation? What about my own succession plan? Whether my children will join or won't join, it all depends upon them. But I still need to create a succession plan so that in case any one of them wants to join my business, they can join the business. B, just because they are my children, let them not become the management part of it. You see, most of the organization, if you look at, आप अगर विप्रो या कोई भी बड़ी देखे, अजीम पेजनी ने अपने बेटे को जब लाया तो सीधा उसको टॉप पे नहीं ला के दिया. They first make the person work at a lower level, work at a management training. वो अलग अलग लेवल पे काम करके जब उसने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सीख लिया, then he became at the top of that. They don't come at the top straight away. The management and the working becomes two different parts. So how can I build a succession plan so that people who are caliber, who has the caliber and who has the education can become the senior part of it. So we came, we had thought about it, that how do we do that on this. So then the idea came, then the proposal came up was that why don't we merge our operation. So the proposal which is there was that we create a new organization wherein all 4 mutual fund distributors become the sub-broker who operate from a single office. Now, what happened was, when we talk about a single office, we had 4 offices. From 4 offices, we become into 1 office. The role of the new entity is to take care of the back office operation, doing a market research. हमारे को भी बताते हैं कि क्या which are the mutual fund which we need to target and कहाँ से exit करना है. Take care of the compliances. Once you cross 100 crore, you will be subjected to the audit. So whether I as an individual एक और अपने ऊपर मैं भार बोझ ले लूँ, or this is the new entity which will take care of the compliances part. And what will be the role of the mutual fund distributor who becomes a sub-broker of that? The role of the mutual fund distributor will be to service the client that the sub-broker had acquired over the last 10, 15, 30 years time. जो उसको किया उसको service करता रहा, because they are now comfortable in dealing with a person. But slowly and slowly, the role is going to be उसका hand holding करके दूसरे को जो नई एंटिटी आ रही है उसके आरएम को उसको हैंड ओवर करना. एंड ऑल्सो जो नया एंटिटी क्रिएट हुआ उस नए एंटिटी के अंदर टेक द रोल कैन बी it can be HR role. Somebody can say I'm going to handle the recruitment part. Somebody can say that I will look at the new product development. New product जैसे हम P2P लेना चाहते हैं, loans करना चाहते हैं, क्या करना चाहते हैं. It can be कि operations का देखना कि so that the customer get the best of the service on that. So they take a role in the new entity also. So beside the client handling, they take a new entity. So it is basically 2 रोल उनके पास बन जाते हैं. एक existing का जो कि कर ही रहे हैं बस उसका. But let's not forget the challenge. It's like एक elephant को एक tight rope के ऊपर से चलाना. That is what is the biggest challenge. What is the biggest challenge we face? I'm sure the biggest challenge all of us face is our ego. Sometimes it is hard to open your hand, but you need to. Now, if you don't let the go and you lead the other hand, the person is going to fall. हम ये सोचते हैं कि ये मैंने कस्टमर को एक्वायर किया है, ये मेरी ये मेरा है, this is what I have created. But fact of the matter is that we have assisting the customer and we are one of the various partners who are going to assist our customer. So एक अपना जो अपनी self की entity को खत्म करके we have to think bigger and we have to let go our ego which comes in our way. What are the other challenges which we face? The other challenges which we think we face is revenue loss. We think that there is going to be revenue loss because ultimately जो नई entity आ रही है उसके खर्चे मेरे individual से ज़्यादा होंगे. Why? Because मैं हो सकता है कि आज एक आदमी को 10, 12, 15 हज़ार रुपये की सैलरी में रख लूँ, बट जब नई एंटिटी जाएगी उसको मिनिमम वेजेस भी फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे, उसको अपने सारे के सारे उसको बेनिफिट भी देने पड़ेंगे. मैं 6 डेज का काम करता हूँ, वो हो सकता है 5.5 डे पे काम करे या 5 डेज पे काम करना चाहे. सो एंड प्लस उसके खर्चे चूंकि ज्यादा होंगे, सो आई माइट बी शेयरिंग, मेरा जो रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग होगा वो ज्यादा हो जाएगा. आई माइट हैव टू गिव ऑन दैट. This is to some aspect is compensated by the increase in the revenue, but कितना compensate होगा ये बड़ा मुश्किल है कहना, at least in the initial stage. Second challenge is the gelling of the values. Now each one of us has built our business based upon certain values and certain हमने उसके ऊपर किया है काम. Whether the other person share the same value structure, what if the other person की value हमसे ना करे? What if एक उसका I was also speaking to a group in Calcutta, where the people joined and people who were not able to gel with the values of the culture, they left. So they can be an exit. What is the biggest reason of divorce? It's the marriage. अगर शादी होगी तो divorce होगा ही होगा. So what if it doesn't happen like that? And then एक सबसे बड़ा आता है independence का. Now we have right now आज we are not answerable to anybody. We are answerable to ourselves, which is the biggest plus sign also, negative also. Why negative? Because अगर हम किसी को answerable नहीं होते, slowly and slowly our business keeps on coming down. हमारे अंदर एक आलसपन सा बोल दीजिए, वो धीरे धीरे सेटअप कर जाता है. तो कहते हैं ना, we need to kick our own ass, so we have to अपने आप को ही kick करने के लिए कोई होता नहीं है. So we feel that, you know, now I'm answerable to somebody, मेरा independent जा रहा है, how can, you know, and we have not worked for now how many 15-20 years, हमने किसी के अंडर रह के काम नहीं किया. और यहाँ पे एक जब स्ट्रक्चर बनता है, वो स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर कहीं जगह पे हमको दूसरों को रिपोर्टिंग करनी है. So these are the challenges which are there and which can happen. But the major जो आता है, whenever such doubts start emerging, I am reminded of this Simon Sinek, start with an I. Why? Why are you starting this? Why are you doing it? What is the purpose? Because अगर आपका why clear है, how and what will happen on that? So why would you like to do a collaboration? जब तक आपके पास why clear नहीं होगा, you will not be able to become a successful in collaboration, because जैसी challenges आएंगे आपके पास, वैसे ही आप पीछे भागने की कोशिश करेंगे या डरेंगे. Because क्या होता है, कोई भी change लाना सबसे मुश्किल होता है, because हर कोई change को resist करता है. हमने कितने सारे changes को resist किया. पहले ऑनलाइन कुछ किया, resist किया. जब उससे पहले हमारे जब वो 2.25% को ब्रोकरेज आती थी, जब वो ब्रोकरेज चली गई तो उसको हमने resist किया कि how are we going to survive on that. But one thing is there कि कोई भी change आया वो irreversible change लेके आया, उससे हमने बड़े ही हैं, we have never gone down. I am yet to come across an IFA और mutual fund distributor इतने सारे changes देखने के बाद भी उसकी income कम हुई है. So all these changes happen. So हमारे को ड्राइव करने के लिए एक ही चीज रहेगी, why I am collaborating, what is in for me. एक बार why क्लियर हो गया, how and what will happen, how and what कभी मैटर नहीं करते. what matters is the why मैटर करता है कि why are we doing what you are doing on this. So for me, I will share what is my why into this. Why for me, my why is basically I work with a customer first centricity. कि मैंने आज कस्टमर को जब मैंने ऑनबोर्ड किया है, एक प्रॉमिस करके उसको ऑनबोर्ड किया है, एक उसको मैंने भरोसा दिलाया था, एक मैंने उसको विश्वास दिलाया था that I am going to be there with you, I am going to take care of you, you don't have, we are going to take care of your worries. And I'm sure most of the mutual fund distributor जब भी किसी के इन्वेस्टमेंट उठाते हैं, आप यही कह के उठाते हैं कि सर मैं हूं ना, so I am there in front of you, I will be there, you will not have to worry about. हमारा काम, you know, I feel that my role is not the investment manager, I am the investor management. मेरा काम है, मैं इन्वेस्टर की साइकोग्राफी उसको मैं कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, ना कि इन्वेस्टमेंट करता हूँ. So for me it is very important the customer should not get disturbed even if I am there or not. Second is the continuity of the business. So इतना सालों की जो हमने मेहनत करी है, I have known cases from Bombay. There was a gentleman IFA who moved to Canada. Last moment he was desperately trying to sell his practice. Nobody was there to buy, and he moved to Canada. And what happened was, जो उसने इतने साल की मेहनत की, 5-6 साल की मेहनत की, वो सारी wither away हो गई. I want this continuity to happen, this continuity of the business to happen. एक बड़ा strong belief में मैं विश्वास करता हूँ that growth is never a straight line. हम कभी नहीं कहेंगे कि यार मैं 100 करोड़ या 50 करोड़ या 10 करोड़ के ऊपर चल रहा हूँ, I'm going to there. Either 100 crore will become 150 crore or या 100 crore will become 25 crore. Growth business कभी भी straight line पे नहीं चलता, या तो ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा. Straight line कभी नहीं होती. Straight line is a dead line. It is like an ECG. ECG के अंदर straight line का मतलब होता है. So if this is going to be a growth is never a straight line. It is always going to be topsy-turvy. So for me, either it is to go up or it has to go down. I want to plan my own retirement. I don't want to continue practice here. I like to meet. I like to help clients. Yes, for very sure about it, but at my own cost. मैं आज अगर प्रॉब्ली मैं 8 hours a day और for 6 days a week में काम करता हूँ, कई बार 7 days a week भी काम करता हूँ, I would like to probably work for another 3 years, 5 years, and then reduce it to 1, 2, 3 days kind of a thing, and work at my own terms. Not necessarily कि जब मुझे customer का phone आ रहा है तो मुझे उस time attend करना पड़ता है. So I would like to, for me, retirement is a free time, a freedom which I want to have. And very important for me is my succession planning. जो इतना हमने मेहनत से अपनी 20 साल की मेहनत लगा करके जो खड़ा किया है, I want to go to the rightful owner. I want to be distributed to my next generation. Want to leave a legacy. Ultimately, एक अपने enterprise अपना करने का reason क्या है? That you need to have the succession plan. So, which is why this entity, a new entity which is there will be challenges. कोई भी हम नया काम शुरू करेंगे तो challenges तो आएंगे. Rest assured on that. But again, अगर मेरा why clear है, my why is clear, I am going to achieve all this. So that's all, my dear friends, I wanted to share with you. And any questions which you have, I'd be very happy to take. In fact, I would also love Kanakji, in case Balveer or Nipa or they have joined, I had requested them. They have been, they collaborated about more than 1 year back. In fact, बलवीर का तो 3-4 साल पहले हो गया था, and Vivek is there from Calcutta. In case they are available, I would request them, they can share for 5-10 minutes how has been their experience in collaboration. People who have been doing it for more longer duration time than than us. In the meanwhile, in case you have questions, you can write question on the chat box. I will be very happy to answer them.
I've also unmuted Balveer Chawla.
Good evening, Kanakji.
Good evening.
Good evening, Pankajji.
Good evening, Balveer ji. Balveer ji, we'd like to have your input, your experience. You have been collaborated quite some time back. How has been your journey so far, and what are the challenges which you have faced so far?
Wow, so we've collaborated around 6 years back. We 3 of us came together in 2014, and we've added up Nipa and Amarnath last year. So we are now 5, and we've added up 2 more just a couple of months back. So we are 7 now. But we started with 3, and I was just, sorry, I joined a bit late because I was with a client's meeting. And I'm traveling, so I'm not able to on my video also. But the basic advantage that we have seen is, it's sharing of ideas. Coming together definitely gives a very good perspective in front of the clients. The clients are more comfortable dealing with you because they now say you have got an institution structure, though I'm getting a personalized service. But that has become the greatest advantage. There have been challenges which you have said already, and I would not like to spend too much on it. But it's first ground level has to be whether all values or all have the same thought process and philosophy. That is the biggest thing. Rest all, just falls in place. There could be difference of opinions over certain issues. That has to be there. That should be there. I totally believe if you don't have a difference of opinion, then that's a problem. So there has to be a difference of opinion. However, on critical issues, all of us should be together. That is the main criteria. I'm happy to take any questions, Pankajji, Kanakji, if there's anything. I'll just to give a brief, in 2014, and we, before coming together, we spent nearly a year before we 3 came together. And the only thing we used to discuss every time was what all can go wrong when we come together. So we were not looking at only the rosy picture. We were looking at what all can go wrong. And based on that, we've built up this firm. And even when Nipa and Amarnath joined, and even then we had around 6 to 8 months kind of discussion. What if this happens? What if that happens? And all that stuff has been happening. So, just as we do it for clients, ki worst mein kya ho sakta hai, khud ke liye bhi wo kiya. Aur what you have put it beautifully, Pankajji, saying ki, what is our retirement? What is it that we have done? How do we do that? This is the perfect model. I personally believe this is one of the best models that can survive in this industry, specifically for IFAs.
Great. Hawalda ji, you have asked a question, are 4 of us working or companies together? No. Right now, there's only one company which will come, and the four are becoming like a sub-broker. Correct me, Balbiji, that is the model that you are also following. So there is one entity which represents. So all four of us lose the entity in front of the customer. But to that, from the new entity which is formed, we are drawing our brokerages like what we are doing. So that's how there to the customer we will approach as one company only. Like, and Balbir ji ki Finnovators
Yes.
the company to हर एक customer उनकी company
will know only Finnovators. The customer knows only Finnovators now.
So that is there, and wherein the all the members who are joining, they get some ownership into that company, and so it is the ownership is spread across. वो हर एक के पास उसका थोड़ा है, so everybody is working toward a common cause that हम किस तरीके से इस company की valuation बना सकते हैं. So our entire work right now is that we need to how much value can we generate on that. Neeraj ji, you have asked about how do I increase the SIP book. वो एक बिल्कुल एक separate topic है. I will be very happy to take what we have been doing it. मतलब just to give you an idea, because of my SIP book, my volume from the March से लेकर के now, the growth has been about 50-60% is what we have grown. मतलब जब मार्च का जब क्राइसिस आया था उससे लेकर के वी हैव अगेन ग्रोन बैक क्वाइट अ सब्सटेंशियल हमने जंप ले लिया है. So it is the retail and the SIP book, but that's a very different topic. We will be talking sometime later on. Kayur bhai, you had asked about the retirement planning. Retirement planning for the customer is different, and retirement planning for us is very different. Retirement planning for a customer is again another topic wherein we follow a bucket strategy. But when I talk about here, I was mentioning about our own retirement planning. Now, how do we? What does retirement mean? हर एक के लिए retirement का meaning अलग होने वाला है. करीब भाई आपके लिए अलग होगा, कनक जी के लिए अलग है, मेरे लिए retirement का meaning अलग है. Now, for me, if I look back, just to share, one of my children is in US right now. So for me, I would like to be able to spend time with him in US, which means that if I'm not present here, how can I take out time from here and be with my son and without getting कि मेरा customer disturb हो रहा है कि वो मुझे frantically reach करने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि मैं मेरे को ये statement चाहिए who's the person. So the concept of retirement is very different for everybody. Again, when जब आप भी customer के साथ बैठते होंगे, customer would say, I want to have a retirement planning, but we need to understand what does retirement means to him. So that you will have to decide what does is your retirement. बाकी अगर कोई specific आपका होगा तो I'll be very happy to answer to you on one-on-one basis also. So any other question I would be answering. देखिए एक बात बड़ा clear लेके चलिएगा. Anybody who is wanting to get into collaboration, the journey is not going to be a straight line. I'm sure बलवीर जी चूंकि इनको कई साल हो गए हैं बलवीर जी. Can you just share what the challenges which you faced in आपकी journey के अंदर?
So to be very honest, each one of us, has been in the industry. When we came together also, we were in the industry for 10-12 years. Each one was carrying their own set of ideas and baggages, that what we call them. कि ये ऐसे ही होता है, ये business ऐसे ही होता है, या मैं यही product बेचता हूँ, या मैं ऐसे ही advice करता हूँ. किधर तो भी उसको सब combine करके एक model बनाना difficult होता है. And that takes time. And again, each one's so when you are individual, आप employee कैसे handle करते हो, कौन कैसे treat करता है, policies कैसे बनती हैं, ये सब हमने कभी corporate structure में किया ही नहीं है. ना ही कोई हमारा corporate background में से कोई था. सब independent first day से businessmen रह चुके हैं. तो वो सबसे बड़ा challenge था हमारे लिए कि अगर हम corporate structure बना रहे हैं उसको, तो उसका corporate structure कैसा होना चाहिए, उसके policies कैसे बनने चाहिए, उसको कैसे डिफाइन करें, कैसे स्ट्रक्चर करें, क्या क्या होना चाहिए, उसके लिए हमारे को इनिशियली काफी टाइम लग गया. और काफी कुछ ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड पे भी काम होता है कि ये ट्राई करते हैं, अच्छा ठीक है अभी ये वाला भी ट्राई करके देखते हैं कि एम्प्लॉइज रखते हैं जो सेल्स करेंगे, या सब ब्रोकर मॉडल भी देखते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं होता है क्या. तो वो सब ट्रायल एंड एरर से ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हम लोगों ने वी हैव कम अक्रॉस कम टू दिस स्टेज नाउ. And also initially when we started, we were not working on this sub-broker model. Let me be very clear. We had started with when we three came together, we were of the opinion that it would be an equal partnership kind of a thing. But after a period of time, we realized that is not how it can sustain for a long duration. And then we sort of shifted on the revenue sharing, depending on each one bringing in what business to the table. So these were certain challenges which we had faced. One, getting into a see, each, as you rightly said, na Pankaj ji, it's not that we have used to working under anybody or taking directions from anybody. So आज अगर I am looking after, let's say, operations, or somebody else is looking after research, or somebody else is looking after technology in the company, somehow sometimes that could be a problem कि मैं इसका क्यों सुनूं, ये तो he's not I have never heard from anybody, मैंने किसी का सुना ही नहीं आज तक, या मेरे को ये आदमी को यही ट्रीटमेंट देना, ये मेरा एम्प्लॉय है, इसको तो मैं ऐसे ही ट्रीट करता हूँ, ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, वो सब चीजें थोड़ा सा वही, इसके लिए वो मेन जो है, when you come together, if the thought process is at the same level, then it becomes very, very simple going forward. But if it's not, then it's better to thrash out all your doubts clear beforehand, before getting into such a collaboration, is what I would say. Rather than saying कि अभी join कर लेते हैं, बाद में देखेंगे क्या होता है, I would say it is better कि आप पहले कुछ भी doubts, queries की अगर worst situation को envisage करके काम करना is the best way to go forward. And just to add one more thing, just to give perspective to this, what we are speaking, 2014 when we came across, we were, let's say, X. 2019, before Nipa and Amarnath, so the three of us in the 5 years, just by coming together, we have grown 5 times in the 5 years. Just by coming together. And that is very true for all the three of us, because we've seen that you get time to devote to what you want to do. You're focusing only on one thing. You're not focusing on 10 things in your organization. मैं GST भी नहीं देख रहा हूँ, मैं compliance भी नहीं देख रहा हूँ, मैं accounts भी नहीं देख रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ मेरे को जो role है वो देख रहा हूँ, और उसमें I'm getting time with my clients and to do what I can do best.
Right. In fact, I am reminded of, I used to work with Havells. I used to report to the chairman, Mr. Kimat Rai Gupta. I have a lot of regard for him because I've learned so many things. एक ही बात बोलते थे, बिजनेस करना हो तो उसमें मूछ नहीं होनी चाहिए. मूछ का मतलब अभी ईगो नहीं होनी चाहिए. You should not have the ego. So when you are joining hands, सबसे बड़ी जो चीज आती है वो ईगो ही आती है कि अभी तक मैंने किसी को किया नहीं है. So that's something one need to be sacrificing upon. जब तक वो sacrifice नहीं करोगे तब तक नहीं होगा.
और वो गुप्ता जी की एक और बात भी है, मैं आपको वो भी बताता हूँ. उन्होंने एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये भी बोला था, I would rather be a 10% shareholder in a 1,000 crore company rather being a 100% shareholder in a 100 rupee company.
Right. Absolutely right. So yes, Ryan just very said, when joining hand, one can be a mutual fund expert, one can be a stockbroker, another can be a pro social contact. So all of us have to identify what are the strengths. That's what we are doing when we all four carries. Some of us are very good in analytical part. So जो analytical वाला part है वो उसने कहा कि यार मैं mutual fund के analysis करूँगा. Some was very good in HR के अंदर, administration के अंदर. So each one knows what is the strength and we try to utilize on the strength. What happens is the office expenses now, instead of everybody having the separate operation team, entire operation team get merged. So there are only common operation people. So that salary comes from the revenue sharing, which we do that. So the entire revenue comes to the company or new entity, and from the new entity, it is given. So the new entity bears the common expenses. Now these are what your technology expenses, जो हमारा platform expenses हैं. These are our HR expenses, जो staff की salaries हैं. The gifting part, the administration part, all the things are being taken care by the new entity. So for me, individual, I would still have the team because there is certain business I still need to carry, which is outside what we are merged on, right? Which is like insurance business. So insurance servicing के लिए I would still have a person on my payroll. But when it comes to the mutual fund distributor, it is there. Eventually, everything will get clubbed together. Because हमारे को goal, ultimate goal है इस company के लिए हमको आगे valuation create करना. So that is what is the goal we are working on it. Now, Neeraj ji, which software to use? हम all four of us are using Investwell का Mint हम use कर रहे हैं. मैं भी Mint use नहीं कर रहा, मैं corporate use करता हूँ. बाकी सब 3 Mint use करते हैं. Now, our clients have become accustomed to it. Now, whether the Mint is the best, no, it cannot be the best. It will have some advantage. There's a Red Vision. I also use OFA को use करता हूँ. I basically use 2 software to support my client. Why I use 2 software? Once I had this instance wherein there was a lot of crap data came in, and my investment ke andar I was not able to service my clients. That was the time I decided I will always have a backup in terms of technology, because technology is the backbone of the company. So that is where we started on OFA also. OFA Plus बहुत economical था, 12,000 या 14,000 के अंदर वो करता है. But कल को मेरा अगर कहीं भी investment से कहीं भी कुछ होगा तो I'll have a second backup on which I can immediately direct my clients on that. Because for me, I'm outsourcing these things. So when you're outsourcing, we have to be very careful to whom are you outsourcing. Whether उनके साथ आपका value gelling होता है कि नहीं होता, that's very important. वो बहुत important होता है. So I hope I have been able to answer that question.
Pankaj ji, there is one question. It is very important, ऐसा कहते हैं ना कि कल्चर मैच होना चाहिए आपके एम्प्लॉइज का. कई बार क्या होता है ना, सबके एम्प्लॉइज होते हैं, बट अगर कल्चर जब तक मैच नहीं होगा, एक्चुअल मर्जर नहीं होगा. So what are you doing for that?
You see, that's the initial part when I took up that how do we meet the culture. सबसे पहला important हमने ये decide किया, we will not be operating from 4 different offices. We are going to be sitting in one office, one roof, one Iskandar, and we'll have the interaction part. Secondly, there are certain decisions which are taken in jointly. There are certain decisions which will be taken independently. Now, if suppose today I am the technology head, so any decision which will be going to be taken technology, I'm going to propose to the team, and therein we're going to offer by consensus कि this is the technology, this is the mutual fund software we are there. Use करके देखेंगे क्या करेंगे. There will be certain wherein each one of us has to agree. कि अगर मुझे आज किसी को ब्रोकर को इंडक्ट करना है या उसको छोड़ना है, तो that involves everybody. So it is important that all 4 of us are able to spend time together. दूसरा, हम सबका बैकग्राउंड एक था अपना. It happened by design. मतलब डिजाइन बोल दी, डिफॉल्ट बोल दी. All 4 of us were CFP. All 4 of us follow the client first कि हमको करना है. All 4 of us follow a particular client onboarding का process करते हैं, जिसमें पहले client का पूरा डाटा लेते हैं. डाटा लेने के बाद करते हैं. We are very clear that we are not into mutual fund selling. We are providing solutions. When I'm providing a solution, अगर कोई मेरे से फोन के ऊपर भी पूछता है, यार how is this scheme, Axis का ये scheme कैसा है? So one of the thing which I quote to my people is like, how do you find Viagra? वो बेचारा कस्टमर बेचारा परेशान हो गया था, Viagra क्या, मैं अच्छी टैबलेट है, कहता हाँ अच्छी टैबलेट है. मैं but whether you need the Viagra or you don't need the Viagra, I can only know once I know about you. So I am not a product seller. I am a solution provider. So if all 4 of us are a solution provider, we will take the client only if he is ready to share his details with us and he is able to trust on that. So that's how we do that. So processes part is what has to be there. Everybody has to agree to that, because ultimately एक ही चीज क्लाइंट के सामने आना चाहिए. आज वो क्लाइंट चाहे वो साउथ दिल्ली में हो, चाहे वो नॉर्थ दिल्ली में, चाहे ईस्ट दिल्ली में, उसका एक्सपीरियंस हैज टू बी द वन. That is very important, for which the processes have to be laid out. So there has to be standardization of the process. वो important होता है.
Thank you so much. But I think it is very, very important. Just an observation, which is collaboration बहुत अच्छी चीज है. Culture match होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि बड़ी organizations सिर्फ culture match नहीं होने के कारण कहीं पे जाके चीजें अटक जाती है. और models सब ब्रोकर मॉडल बन के रहे, वो भी हो सकता है. पूरी की पूरी एंटिटी बराबर रूप में ऐड हो जाए, वो भी हो सकता है. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है ना कि मेरा ये समझना है कि लेट्स से एक बंदे का AUM 100 करोड़ है, एक का 50 करोड़ है, लेकिन आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वो जो मर्जर है उससे जो सर्विसेज लर्निंग आफ्टर 5 इयर्स, ये आज का 100 करोड़ 50 करोड़ मे नॉट बी ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट इंपॉर्टेंस, क्योंकि आज का 50 करोड़ शायद वो 100 बन जाए और वो आज का 100 करोड़ शायद वो 75 बन जाए, या और ये पूरे का पूरा चेंज हो जाए, बिकॉज दिस AUM may not remain as it is. So I think the best way again is there are multiple ways. A broker model also is one way. Everybody working as a team, creating actual company. नहीं तो क्या होता है ना, एक कंपनी बना के भी आप 4 लोग रह गए, अलग अलग अगर रहते हो तो. So there are advantages, disadvantages, but एक चीज बहुत अच्छा है, लोगों को एक्सपेरिमेंट जरूर करना चाहिए. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है कि everything will end, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा. So I think experiment जब तक नहीं करेंगे तब तक things may not be that great for any one of us. So it is very good to experiment, and I think that is something which we all should think upon. So thank you very much, Balveer ji and Pankaj ji. It was really a nice insight for all of us. And I'm sure with all this, we will have a lot of understanding. And this is such a chapter jiska koi end nahi hai, and probably continue discussion किया जा सकता है. और chat box के अलावा भी और questions रहे. Balveer ji, Nipa, they have done a very good collaboration. Sapient again is an example from Pune. They have done an amazing collaboration. NJ भी एक collaboration ही है. Pankaj ji ka to khair hai hi. So that way, if you see, no, this is something which is very good, and collaboration is the key to everything, whatever you are doing. So all the best, Pankaj ji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kanak ji. Thank you for having me on the board and explaining. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So friends, now it is the time for today. So we will have 10 rapid questions coming in front of you. What you have to do is just scan this or the link which was shared in the groups. Okay, आप उस link पे भी जा सकते हो, join कर लीजिए इस quiz को. अगले 10 questions जो top 5 लोग रहेंगे उन लोगों का नाम आ जाएगा screen पे, and they are the people. This will be the first question, so don't worry about it. पहला questions आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं. So please scan the barcode and just join the quiz, or you can just click the link wherever it is shared in the group, so that आप लोग उस link और उस quiz को join कर सकोगे. Okay, so I am sure काफी लोगों ने join कर लिया है already. So here we start with the first question. November 2020, Pfizer announced. This is about year 2020. 2020 का quiz है ये, okay? How many people will be? Okay, so I think more than good number of people, and only 11 people have participated. I think the number can go up. Please try and participate as much as possible. You can just need to scan the barcode. A pop-up आएगा, and then you click there, and then you go, and then one after other next question and next quiz will come up. Okay, so I think आने वाले समय में we need to be used to all these things, more and more engagement. That is what the whole idea of this whole group is, that we engage our investors more and more. Okay, so let's see what is the answer. Yes, 50 million is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question and let's see how many people get into that. What is the name of the astronaut who successfully landed on the International Space Station in a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket? Bob, Dog, और एक है Michael और एक है Christopher. थोड़े जो ज़्यादा लोग न्यूज़ में हैं, probably उनके लिए ज़्यादा easy होगा. Good to see 18 of you have come across this. And but very few people have given the right answer. The right answer is so as you all can see. So let's move to the next question. What is the name of the international film that won the Best Picture award at Oscar 2020? ये तो मालूम होना चाहिए जो लोग बॉलीवुड मूवीज देखते हैं. हनीलैंड, Parasite, Plain and Glory. So Parasite is the correct answer. So yes, most of you are right. Parasite is the right answer. 21 of you participated. Let's move to the next question. The first half of 2020, there was a decline in carbon dioxide emission by 8.8% year on year. How many tons of CO2 does that number represents? 933 million tons, 1,122 million tons, 1,551 million tons. Good. So not highest is the right, not lowest is the right. Yes, but 1,551 million ton is the right answer, and most of you have answered that. Moving to the next question, how many respiratory does the company 3M plan to make by the end of 2020? How many of you know this company? 1 billion, 1.5, 2 billion. Sometimes it is good to answer the maximum क्योंकि आजकल सब ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Sometime, not every time. Okay, so 28 of you answered, and 2 billion is the right answer. So as I told you, sometimes it is good to just write the maximum one, even if you don't know. To promote inclusion and diversity, American companies, if you can all just read that, 35, 40, 45. How many different skins can you draw with new set of crayons? As per rules, maximum people have answered 45, but no, this time it is 40. But again, irrespective of, we are knowing something. Due to coronavirus restriction, a group of musicians played the first ever opera concert for the audience of green plants. Where did the concert took place? Barcelona, Paris, or Rome? Most of you have answered Paris, and Barcelona is the right answer. Okay, in June 2020, NASA named its headquarters in Washington, D.C. after Mary Jackson. NASA's first black female engineer. In what year did Mary start working with NASA? Okay, this is something probably will be a little difficult for everyone. (1958), some of you have answered, and that's correct, maximum people. This is something all of you should answer right. Became the first female vice president of United States. She was also the first black person to serve the Attorney General of California. True or false? If you all know it, it's true. Yes, 96% of you are right, and 28 of you have participated in this. In order to help COVID, some of the distilleries halted their production on liquor to start producing hand sanitizer. True or false? These are all positive answers, huh? And true is the correct answer. I think we are done, or probably yes. So here we have the results. Nivas, you are the winner. Ravi Shankar Gowda, the second winner. Naresh. So all of you really need to connect with Nishant and get your vouchers for a business line, which is the 6 months subscription. So Naresh is winning for the second time. Last quiz also he was the winner. And Nivas from Coimbatore, congratulations to you. And nice to see you. And Ravi Sagar, Tapan, and Prabhakar Bambani. Okay, so no. Good to see you, Nivas. If you are there, and unmute yourself, and then we will have Harish, who's going to talk on a very special topic. Hello, Nivas. How are you feeling? Congratulations. You can speak something. How did you know all these 8 answers?
Sometimes it is luck only. Few things I know, but few things I came by luck only. Yeah, we have to be honest. Yeah.
Good, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So let's move to the second part of the session, which is very, very interesting again. So over to you, Harish. Harish is a master NLP practitioner and a master NLP coach also. He is authorized by Dr. Richard Brandler. And he has been to London undergoing all his masters for this. And he is the only authorized coach to train. I am also a master NLP practitioner, by the way, but he is an authorized coach to train people. And he uses this science of NLP beautifully in his business and also as a trainer. Harish, over to you, and let's look forward to learn something from you, something which is all about mind, but which is so practical.
Thank you. Can you all see me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Good evening, my dear friends, my dear colleagues, all volatility coaches. And thank you, Kanakji, for giving me an opportunity to at least share all my ideas and learnings to share with all my colleagues. And heartfelt gratitude to Kanakji for giving me this opportunity. I've been waiting for this opportunity, and I have spoken to Kanakji for a couple of times. So are you all friends ready now? Just chat, type yes, because Zoom session you need to chat. Yes, thank you. So this is a different topic, as Kanakji mentioned about it. This is, we all are salespeople, we all are business owners, we all talk from the external environment. Now I'm going to take you through the internal environment, which is the mind. And let me share my PPT. Just hold on. Can you see all my PPT?
No, you will have to share.
Is it visible now? Hello?
Visible.
It's visible. Okay. Okay. So this is the introduction that Kanakji is already given. Kanakji, I think आपका screen freeze हो गया है. I think everyone is able to see the screen.
Very much. Please continue.
Very much. Okay, thank you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about unleashing the power within for basically success and happiness. We all are looking for success, but in the area of success, sometimes we try and forget happiness. And this is my endeavor to see that we get both success as business owners, success as client centric, but happiness for both us and even for the clients. So now, why you need to know this is you need to understand a couple of questions which I keep asking to all my friends and all my clients. Why does one MFT, because since we are into this business, why one MFT or a financial planner is a great success and another an abject failure? So if you have an answer for this, really great. Otherwise, if you see this, one man always tops in the class but fails in life, man, another is exactly opposite. Third question is, one man is always broke, another is always wealthy. One man is always healthy, the other person is always sick. One businessman is a superstar, another is always struggling and struggling to survive. One man is always sad, the other is always happy. This could also happen in one family. If you have a family of 4 or 5, if you see that one member is really happy, the other member is really sad in spite of getting everything. And we always say to our colleagues or to some of our friends that he is lucky, I'm always unlucky. And one man, if you see, I have seen in this COVID, healed of COVID, uh, and the other could not. There are people who are healed of uncurable diseases. What makes some people more successful than others? This was my question to myself, and then I kept on searching before I became a trainer. And this led me to a couple of, I would say, I'm being very, very curious. So this led me to the new learning. Is it their qualifications, degree, where they come from, their family background, their horoscope, their luck, their destiny, or their karmas? Yesterday was Gita Jayanti, and then we had a lot of sessions, and then we also learned about karmas. So is it that, why these people are successful? So I kept on asking these questions, and the answer came to me as this. So very few people have actually understood the power of the mind and the principle of success. So what we have done is I've understood the power of mind, and since being the success principles trainer from Jack Canfield, America's #1 success coach, so I have combined these two process and some learning of NLP and put up a little program for an hour. I'll try to finish in 1 hour, though it's a big program. So you'll have to have a little patience. So what we have found is very few people have really understood the power of mind. And everyone has this unlimited power within us. So we need to discover how to find this unlimited power. And if you see this butterfly, it says the quote, within you is the power to rise above any situations or struggle and transform into the brightest, the strongest version of you ever. And that's why I always keep on talking about the inside, not the outside. So let us talk about how do we understand why we are facing these issues. So what we have taken is this as success principle #1 from Jack Canfield. And he says, taking 100% responsibility for your life and the results that you produce in your life. So results could be positive, results could be negative. Now, this is where we really don't understand. This is where we really keep on blaming the other guys. And how do we take 100% responsibility? This could be for health, this could be for family, this could be for relationships, this could be for finances, this could be for our business. This could also be we not getting the clients, or this could also be the clients buying and then stopping the SIPs, or going to other distributors or going to direct. So if we need to take 100% responsibilities, we need to give up three things. We need to stop blaming others. We need to stop complaining circumstances and events, and we need to stop justifying for the levels. Normally what happens is हर बार हम justify करते हैं कि अरे नहीं, complain करते हैं. We all know how we've been complaining about SEBI. We all know how we're complaining about COVID. So we need to stop this, and we need to look inside. Can I take that 100% responsibility? Can I own the onus? And once you hold yourself accountable for the life, you will produce results. For which I will give you one formula, and this one formula will solve all your future concerns in life. And if you remember this formula, I think bale bale. So this formula is E plus R is equal to O. So E is events, response, and outcome. So for example, if we need to have an outcome, we only can change the response. For example, if I have to give you an example of the event is basically the COVID, or the event could also be the SEBI taking a decision about something. Now, if we want an outcome, a positive outcome for ourselves, the only possible thing that we have is the response that we take about. So अगर हमने वो response अच्छे से दिया तो outcome हमारा अच्छा होगा. For example, COVID होता है तो कई in my society also people are so afraid. I will just give an example. One of our neighbor, his father is about 75-year-old. Being an athlete, he used to always go out before COVID and cycling karte the, jogging karte the, 75-year-old, and we used to always be inspired by him. And when the COVID thing happened, his son is the society one of the chair member, and because being the chair member, he took all the precautions, and he stopped his father from going out. फोर्थ फ्लोर में रहते हैं, लिफ्ट में किसी को आने नहीं दिया, मेड को आने नहीं दिया, कहीं भी बाहर जाने नहीं दिया. And after couple of months, father was admitted in the hospital because the event तो कोविड था, but response उन्होंने इतना डर गए कि किसी को आने नहीं दिया, किसी को कुछ नहीं करने दिया, फादर को नीचे नहीं जाने दिया, फादर को इतना डरवा दिया कि फादर को कोविड हो चुका. एंड बीइंग 75 वी ऑल वर वरीड बिकॉज वो शायद वापस आते हैं या नहीं आते हैं. एंड देन देयर वाज वन इंजेक्शन व्हिच वाज रियली नॉट अवेलेबल. बट फादर का जो रिस्पांस था टुवर्ड्स दिस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट, एवरीवन वर अफ्रेड एक्सेप्ट द फादर. Being an athlete, he challenged it, and then he came back after 14 days healthy. सो डेफिनेटली इवेंट को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, सेबी का डिसीजन हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, या जो भी चीज़ है क्लाइंट अगर हमसे नहीं लेता है तो हम उस इवेंट को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट द रिस्पॉन्स इज व्हाट इज इन आवर हैंड टू गेट अ ब्यूटीफुल आउटकम. So if we change the response, I think then the outcome will be really great. So if you have to have a different outcome, you need to change the response. So ये जैसे example दिया है, if you want something in your life you have never had, you'll have to do something you have never done. तो जो अभी तक आपने किया है उससे अगर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है तो you need to change the response. अगर हम बार बार सेल्स कॉल करते जा रहे हैं और वो कॉल नहीं हो पा रहा है, कन्विंस नहीं हो पा रहा है क्लाइंट, या हमारा क्लाइंट नहीं बन पा रहा है, so we need to change the response. How are we communicate to the client? So we need to change the response. So normally what we talk in NLP is communication is the response that you get. Supposing the response that is not in your favor, that means आपका communication ठीक से हुआ नहीं है. This communication could be with your family, this communication could be with your client, this communication could be with anyone. So if the response that you're getting from the client or the friend or the family is not great, that means you need to change the response. Are you there with me up till now? Chat में कीजिए please. Yeah, great. Now, how do we change the response? Believe me, if you just think on these lines, your life will be really, really healthy. This what, and you will be really happy. So there are only 3 things that you can change. You can change your thoughts because this is in your control. Thoughts, आप खुद बात करते हो. You can change your beliefs. You can change your behavior, including your words. I will come back in the next slide how words are more powerful. And you can change your visual image. Just imagine about this particular, agar hame, if you talk about how do we do new business. Supposing if I keep on thinking that ये client मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, ये client तो NRI है, ये client शायद मुझसे नहीं लेगा, ये किसी और से लेगा, ये client अगर ये direct आएगा. So this is the thoughts that we are creating, and we are also creating a belief that ये मुझसे नहीं होगा. Second, the words that we using, we are using most negative words in our life. There are about 90,000 thoughts come in our mind every day. Us 90,000 thoughts के अंदर, how many thoughts are negative, you would know now. And you also need to change your visual image कि आप कैसे image देख पा रहे हो future का. Are you thinking about a good future? Are you thinking about something that you're not really prepared for? So if you really need to have a good outcome in a life about the business, 100, 500, 1,000, 1,500 crores, then you need to change your thoughts. जैसे हमारे पिछले speakers ने बोला था कि thoughts, they have changed their thoughts, they have changed their beliefs by coming collaborating. चारों अलग अलग business कर रहे थे, but the belief ऐसा था कि शायद नहीं हो पाएगा. They changed their thoughts. And that's how it has come. Now they saw a future. हो सकता है उन्होंने visual image देखा कि future अगर 100 से 1,000 करोड़ करना है. So this is what you need to talk about, and that's how the outcome comes better. Now we all have heard about this particular topic, which is basically law of attraction. This is a science. जैसे law of gravity है, उसी तरह से law of attraction है. And you will understand this. You will attract in your life what you focus on. कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं बहुत बार 2 व्हीलर लेके जाता था और I come from पुणे, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि शायद आगे सिग्नल जो है वो रेड होगा. मैं पहुंचता था, सिग्नल रेड होता है. आगे पता ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं, अभी आगे बहुत ट्रैफिक होगा. मैं अपने माइंड में वही बातें कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपने माइंड में वही सोच रहा हूँ, और जैसे जैसे मैं आगे जा रहा हूँ क्लाइंट की तरफ मीटिंग के लिए, वही मेरे सामने आ रहा है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है बिकॉज I used to drive a 2-wheeler and I used to be afraid of water. पानी रोड पे हो या रेत हो तो मुझे लगता था मैं स्किड हो जाऊंगा. तो जैसे आगे जाता तो मुझे रेत दिखती थी. So I am attracting what I am actually focusing on. So when I go to a client, पहले लगता था यार पता नहीं इतना बड़ा client है, ये शायद मुझे business नहीं देगा, because I don't come from a corporate life. I am an individual financial advisor or an MFD. शायद मुझे नहीं दे पाएगा. So I was attracting those. सो कॉल होने के बाद पता चलता था, क्लाइंट तो बोलता है यार आपका तो कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, आपका तो कोई कंपनी नहीं है, ICICI बैंक इज बेटर देन यू, हाउ विल यू गिव मी सर्विस, आपका तो रिसर्च नहीं है, आपके पास स्टाफ नहीं है, मैं अकेले बंदे से बात नहीं करूंगा. सो आई वाज ओनली अट्रैक्टिंग दिस. सो इट सेज व्हाट वी गिव आउट वी गेट बैक. जैसे करते हो वैसे मिलेगा. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज, थॉट्स जब हम क्रिएट करते हैं, उस थॉट से एक फीलिंग्स आती है, एक फीलिंग्स क्रिएट करते हैं. हम सोच रहे हैं कि शायद एक क्लाइंट नहीं बनेगा, तो एक फीलिंग आई डरा हुआ, एंड देन दैट इज द वाइब्रेशंस दैट वी क्रिएट, एंड दोज वाइब्रेशंस एक्चुअली अट्रैक्ट द सिमिलर थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाई वी से यार इसका वाइब्स बहुत अच्छा है, व्हाई वी से कनक जी को देखने के बाद सारे वीसी क्या बोलते हैं कि ही इज हेल्पफुल नेचर, बिकॉज ही इज क्रिएटिंग दैट वाइब्रेशंस. And that's why that vibration is coming from a feeling. He is very happy. He is here to help us because of thoughts unke paas aata hai. Similarly, if we create the same thoughts, if we create the same feelings, we will have those vibrations where the clients is ready to give us a business. We become what we think about most of the time. As I said, agar 60,000 to 90,000 thoughts pure din bhar mein aata hai. So what are those thoughts? And out of the 60 to 90,000 thoughts, how many thoughts are dominating? How many times are we thinking about increasing the business? How many times are we thinking about our succession planning? How many times are we thinking about how do I grow the business? How many times am I thinking about collaborating? So this is what most of the time we don't think about this. So dominant thought kya hai? And everything is created twice. This is the law of mind. I'll just give an example. विलियम बैटल्स करके एक बंदे हैं जिन्होंने साइंस ऑफ गेटिंग रिच किताब लिखा है. इफ यू ऑल हैव सीन द सीक्रेट मूवी वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय द बुक द साइंस ऑफ गेटिंग रिच. ही सेज एवरीथिंग इज क्रिएटेड ट्वाइस. जो भी चीज आज फिजिकल में दिख रही है, भले वो कार हो, लैपटॉप हो, पेन हो, मोबाइल हो, इसका डिजाइन पहले हमारे माइंड में आया था और उसके बाद हमने उस डिजाइन को रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट किया. आर्किटेक्चर सेम वे, अगर इफ यू लुक एट वी ऑल एज फाइनेंशियल प्लानर्स, हम पहले प्लान बनाते हैं, उसके बाद इंप्लीमेंटेशन होता है. क्लाइंट डायरेक्टली नहीं कर रहा है, तो इसका मतलब है दिस इज हैपेंड ट्वाइस. पहले हमने प्लान बनाया, उसके बाद उसका इंप्लीमेंटेशन हो गया. सो दैट मीन्स वी कैन एक्चुअली डिजाइन आवर लाइफ. इसका मतलब अगर हमें 1000 crores करना है, 2000 crores करना है, सो इफ वी थिंक ऑन दोस, वी कैन डिजाइन दैट आउटकम. That's why it says we can create our future by thinking the right thoughts. Now, for example, if you look at this image, what is the feeling that we are getting? If you can, type on the chat. Just type on the chat. What is the feeling that you're getting? Happiness, great. Happiness, great. Happy, yeah. So this is the feeling. Imagine just by seeing the image, you're feeling happy. So when you're feeling happy, you're going to create that vibrations, and the vibrations सामने वाले को भी happiness लगेगा. Now, what is the feeling that you're creating? Just again type. Sad. Yes, Pankaj, sad. Lonely, lost, sad again. Great. Upset. See, these are the thoughts that is coming to disappointment, sorry, dukhi. Okay, so इसका मतलब है everything gone. इसका मतलब है कि अगर हमने ये पिक्चर देखा है तो हमारे थॉट्स क्या आए, ये सब है, ग्रीफ आए, सो हमारे क्या वाइब्रेशंस क्रिएट होंगे. एंड ये वाइब्रेशंस लेके अगर हम क्लाइंट के पास जाते हैं तो क्या बिजनेस मिलेगा? आप सोचिए, अगर हम फर्स्ट वाला वाइब्रेशंस लेके जाते हैं और सेकंड वाला वाइब्रेशंस लेके जाते हैं तो कहाँ पे फर्क पड़ेगा? And that is why thoughts and the image that creates a feeling is very, very, very important. Okay, now this is all what I'm saying is, this is all log sochenge ki ye to aise hi bata raha hai. In YouTube there are experiments which is done by Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese scientist. उन्होंने ये प्रूव किया कि how does our thoughts, words and feelings affect our life. And affect our life, इसका मतलब हर एक पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ में. आई विल शो यू 7 areas ऑफ लाइफ. सारे के सारे 7 areas ऑफ लाइफ में हमारे थॉट्स, वर्ड्स और फीलिंग कैसे अफेक्ट करते हैं. एंड दिस इज अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब. यू कैन सी दिस. Just hold on. Okay. Now, he conducted research on the effect of thoughts, words, and feelings upon the molecules of water. तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि वो लेक से पानी लाके उसको क्रिस्टलाइज फॉर्म में करने के लिए एक को सिर्फ बोला, बहुत सारा नेगेटिव वर्ड यूज किया, यू आर लोनली, यू आर सैड, यू आर वर्स्ट, यू आर एन एविल, और उसके बाद एक वाटर के इसको बोला यू आर गुड, यू नो, यू आर लवली, यू आर हैप्पी. You see the difference. These are only your words and feelings being told to the water. देखो कैसे बोला है. अगर एविल बोला है तो सीधे क्रिस्टल फॉर्म कैसे हो गया पानी का. यू फूल बोला है तो देखिए क्रिस्टल फॉर्म कैसे हुआ है. यू डिस्गस्ट मी. आप ये सोचिए, ये बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हम हमारे फैमिली को भी बोलते हैं. हम हमारे सिबलिंग्स को बोलेंगे, हम हमारे पार्टनर्स को बोलेंगे, हम हमारे बच्चों को बोलोगे, हम हमारे फ्रेंड्स को बोलते हैं. See, this is the image that is happening to water. अगर हम सिर्फ water को बोलते हैं, but you look at the last down वाले, love and gratitude, truth, peace. आप देखिए कितना crystal form हुआ है. Heavy metal music हम सुनते हैं, तो आप देखिए कैसा फॉर्म हो रहा है. हम बोलते हैं you make me sick. एडोल्फ हिटलर अगर बोला तो देखिए साइन क्या था. उसी तरह से थैंक यू बोला तो देखिए क्रिस्टल कैसे फॉर्म हुआ. लव एंड अप्रिसिएशन करते हैं तो कितने बार अप्रिशिएट करते हैं हमारे सिबलिंग्स को, हमारे पेरेंट्स को, हमारे पार्टनर्स को, हमारे बेटा बेटी को, एंड हमारे क्लाइंट्स को. एंड यू सी मदर टेरेसा बोलने के बाद क्या हुआ. यू सी द डिफरेंस. इट इज एंड इमेजिन, जस्ट टेल मी हाउ मच ऑफ वाटर कंटेंट इज देयर इन आवर बॉडी. चैट कीजिए कितना पानी है हमारे बॉडी के अंदर. 90%, 70%, यशदी जी, okay, 70%, Chetan ji, Harish Bhatia, 70%, okay, 90%, okay, great. Or who else? 80%, Ramlingan ji, 75, 80, 90%, 90%. तो आप खुद आप सोचिए, अगर सिर्फ वाटर का ये हाल है 67%, 70%, अगर ये वाटर का ये हाल है, हम हमारे बॉडी में वाटर ही तो कैरी कर रहे हैं. If 70% of our body is made of water, and if I am going to say you are a fool, is it not going to affect me? यही होने वाला है. If I'm going to listen to a heavy metal music, if I'm going to stay to myself sad, or if I say to someone else, if I say to my son, अरे यार तुझे तो कुछ समझता ही नहीं है, तू तो नालायक है, तेरे को कितने बार समझाया, you know what is going to happen to him. Just imagine this. So it is very very serious कि हम हमारे words क्या यूज करते हैं. अगर हम उसी तरह से, अगर हम अच्छे वर्ड्स यूज करें, अप्रिशिएट करें हमारे बच्चों को, हमारे क्लाइंट्स को, हमारे फ्रेंड्स को, हमारे स्पाउस को, हमारे पार्टनर्स को, हमारे आरएम्स को, इफ यू जस्ट से यार यू आर लवली, व्हाट इज दैट क्रिस्टल गोना फॉर्म इन देयर हार्ट. हम उनके लाइफ अच्छे बना रहे हैं. अगर हम वर्ड्स गंदे यूज करेंगे तो हम किसी की लाइफ को खराब कर रहे हैं, इनडायरेक्टली, अननोइंगली. तो मुझे भी पता नहीं था. वंस आई लर्नड दिस, आई हैव स्टार्टेड कंट्रोलिंग माय वर्ड्स. इसलिए भगवान ने 2 कान और एक ये दिया हुआ है. सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स रियली रियली वेरी वेरी सीरियस. वी नीड टू कंट्रोल आवर वर्ड्स, वी नीड टू कंट्रोल आवर थॉट्स. Just hold on, it's not moving ahead. Okay, so conclusion is our thoughts, words, images and feelings affect our physical world. ये हमें आज तक पता ही नहीं था. We've been talking to people, we've been thinking about certain things, we are creating those feelings, and then we are started blaming others. ये हमने ही हमारे लाइफ को ये किया हुआ है, and we are blaming others, and hence the success principle E plus R equal to O. So what is the response that I'm getting? अगर कोविड है तो मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ कोविड के बारे में, मैं क्या वर्ड्स यूज कर रहा हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स उसको वो इवेंट है, उसको कोई ये नहीं कर सकता, नकारा नहीं जा सकता. यू कांट निगेट दोस. कोविड इज गोइंग टू हैपन, इज हैपनिंग. बट उसके थॉट्स क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे. व्हाट इज द वर्ड्स दैट आई एम यूजिंग. what is the images that is coming into my mind, and how am I feeling by just listening to COVID? Am I watching too much of COVID news? Am I watching too much of SAB news? What is this? So, and then I am creating my own physical world, and then I am blaming the outside world. 90% of the things is caused by us, not by an external factor. And hence we need to control our thoughts, words, images. Are you there with me? Okay, great. I'm very, very happy. Yes, very happy. This is a real serious. So my endeavor is, if I can help all my fraternity, agar ye hum samajh jate hain, so we can create a happy, successful life. Okay. Now, where is this thoughts coming from? Any answer? Where is this thoughts coming from? Thoughts to pata chal gaya. Thoughts kya aate hain, words kaise aate hain? So can you type, where is this thoughts coming from? Okay, brain. Okay, emotions. Okay, Chetanji, emotions. Narayanji, brain. Just think, where is this thoughts coming from? Mind, words, mind. SK Sharma ji, mind. Okay, perceptions. Okay. Who else? Experience. Okay, great. Our conscious mind, sometime in response to situation, whatever we read or hear, be TV or net, great. Situations, lovely, great. Subconscious mind. So where do these thoughts come from? Great. Some of them have right answers. My screen is a little slow. I don't know why it's happening. Believe, conscious mind. Yes, you all are right. Let me see how I can change the screen. Okay, so basically, most of you are right. The thoughts are coming from mind. How many mind do we have? Okay, tell me, how many mind do we have? 2. Okay, KOG 2 karaya. Our soundings 2. Okay. 3. Okay, conscious and subconscious mind. Okay, great. Conscious and subconscious mind. Okay, great. So at least most of the people know what is how many minds are there. Okay, but can you tell me what is the power of subconscious mind and what is the power of conscious mind? Yeah, can you just type conscious, subconscious, superconscious, conscious mind? Okay. Now let's see. Okay, now let's see this. Oh, I'm really sorry. I'm not able to forward that. Okay, so let it be. So there are two types of mind. One is conscious mind, and the other is subconscious mind, as a couple of people have said. Now, as far as power is concerned, okay, how much power do we have in the subconscious mind? Can anyone tell me? Okay, we do things like driving, even though. Very good, Chetanji, very good. Okay, so you're right. So if we need to change the habits, where do we need to change the habits? On the logical level or on the subconscious mind? Because Chetanji said, yes, hardware and software. Chetanji said कि जैसे driving करते हैं तो automatically हो जाता है. So if we need to change the habits, we need to change from the subconscious mind. And where is the subconscious mind? The subconscious mind is inside. Okay, and what are we doing? Say, for example, if I have to become healthy, what I do is I change my diet. I go to gym. I go and run. This is a logical mind. This is basically the external. But am I changing my subconscious mind? So if I'm not going to change my subconscious mind, how am I going to achieve my health? Because in the slide it is, I'm going to talk about that 90% of the power lies with subconscious mind. It's only 10% which is basically the logical mind, which says मैं पतला नहीं हो सकता, I can't run a marathon, I can't build up 100 crore AUM. I can't build up 1,000 crore AUM. This client can't be mine, because this is logic. Aaj tak to hua nahi na. But then the power lies with the subconscious mind. So 90% of the power is with the subconscious mind. So if we work on the subconscious mind, then we're going to have all the results that we are talking about. So this, as I said, 10% is conscious mind and 90% is subconscious mind. Okay. Now, how do we see that the subconscious mind works? How do we see that? Anyone who understands how can we ask the subconscious mind to work? Can someone chat? So if we understand that, subconscious mind, learn, unlearn, relearn, Chetanji. Okay, great. Remove viruses from the software. Very good, Selsoji. Okay. How do we remove this? Antivirus lagana, mental programming. Great. By our attitude. Okay. Okay. Think positive. Okay. Are we not thinking positive? Are we not having physical good self-suggestions? Okay. SDG saying self-suggestion, meditation, Diptiji. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, if we understand that 90% power lies with subconscious mind, and this subconscious mind is the creative mind. As I said earlier, we can create our life, we can design our life. So that means if we have to design our life, we need to work with our subconscious mind. Okay, so create neuro path. Great. Auto suggestions. This is what we are going to talk about in the next couple of minutes. Okay, so how do we work on the subconscious mind? So tell me, how many areas of life that we can work on? Chat. Are we working only on one goal, or how many areas of life that we can work on? If you can chat, all. Okay, how many areas? 3 to 4. Okay, great. Ditiji, can you 3 to 4? How many other areas? Okay, 7 areas. Who said 7? Is the Darwala. Okay, 5 areas. Okay, can you name these areas? 8 areas, Jairam. Can you name these areas? Because Kanakji had given us a beautiful diary where we are writing goals. Okay, but how many areas of life that we can write goals on? And good that we have time for till 31st. Yeah, business and family, social. So is it 1 or is it 3? Keurji. Health, great. Personal, professional, spiritual, social, right? Diptiji, physical, mental, social, family, money. Okay, so there are 7 areas of life that we need to work on simultaneously. So when we write goals, when we have our goals, we have to have balanced goal. That means we can work on 7 areas of life. Okay, these 7 areas is basically our financial, our health, our business, that is basically the career, our personal, our relationships, our community. So these are 7 areas, and we need to have goals on all these 7 areas. So business aa gaya aapka, which is basically career, aapka health aa gaya. I don't know how many people have mentioned about their health goals. How many people have actually taken the relationship goals? How many people have actually thought about the community goals? How many people have thought about the personal goals? How many people have thought about what education level that you want to talk about? So if we're going to have these 7 areas of goal, then the 7 areas of goals are going to be balanced, and we're going to work on the subconscious mind. Now, how do we work on the subconscious mind is what the question is. How do we give suggestions? People have said that, suggestions, then I am meditation, then I, but how do we do that? Any idea? How do we do this? Chat pe kijiye. Okay. Self-development. Okay. Affirmations. Okay. Dipti ji, any affirmations? Positive self-talk. Okay. Great. Practicing. Okay. Practicing what, Chetan ji? Okay. Kya practice kare hum? How do we see that this happens? Affirmations and auto suggestions. SDG is right. SDG Darwala. Okay. Affirmations and auto suggestions. Okay. Self belief and visualization. Very good, Keurji. Okay. Good. Okay. Who else? So I'm going to give you, I would say, identifying strengths. 2 main techniques that you can think about how you can actually, work on your subconscious mind. You know, if you take the analogy of genie, Aladdin and genie, I hope you all know this story. Okay, so अलादीन के पास जो जीनी होता है, जीनी अलादीन रब्स करता है और जीनी उसे कहता है कि 3 wishes, जो हुक्म मेरे आका. The subconscious mind actually works like a genie, and Aladdin is you and me. So we are going to give the order to the genie, and then the genie will say, "Jo hukum mere aaka." How do we do that? So basically, जैसे one is affirmations, second is visualization. These are the two techniques that you can use. These are the two techniques that you can use to create a beautiful life. Affirmations. Now, what is affirmations? Can someone say what is affirmations? Definition हो सकता है Google में, you can do what is affirmation. Okay. Now, conscious mind works when we are awake. Subconscious mind works 24 hours. This is the key. This is the key. So if we give suggestions and if we visualize the rest 24 hours जो हम awake होने के बाद जो काम होता है, this is what will happen. Conscious mind will always set goals. Subconscious mind achieves goals. Conscious minds can think. Subconscious mind doesn't think. इसी के लिए वो genie है. We have to give the order. Conscious mind is a logical mind. Subconscious mind is a creative mind. So as I said, we need to create. Now, what are the two powers? So as I said, conscious mind think करता है. He is like the filter. Logical mind है, अरे ये नहीं हो सकता है, ये NRI client नहीं बन सकता, 100 करोड़ नहीं हो सकता, 1000 करोड़ नहीं कर सकता है. Conscious mind takes decisions and actions. Identifies an opportunity, collaborate करना है. Subconscious mind is basically the genie, ability to attract, create events and opportunities. It is the sixth sense, inner GPS system. It's a creative mind, basically problem solving innovations. All blueprints are stored here. Client का money का issue जो हम बात करते हैं, all के सारे beliefs जो clients के हैं, वो सारे के सारे subconscious mind में हैं और हम client का subconscious mind जान ही नहीं पाए. We are only talking about the external, sir. आप ये स्कीम ले लीजिए, इसका रिजल्ट, इसका रिटर्न 10%, 12% आएगा सर. यू नो, अगर सब कुछ अगर ऐसा रिटर्न्स के ऊपर होता तो why are the clients not still getting into the equities directly? So that means there is some blueprint, some belief system of a client which is stored, which we are not able to tap it. Because उसका बिलीफ हो सकता है about the money की equities is not doing well, वो उसका फैमिली का एक्सपीरियंस के कारण हो सकता है, he is not money minded हो सकता है. So all these beliefs, even for health, relationships, are all traced in subconscious mind, and that is why I learned NLP. We talk about behavior finance. Now I have learned the behavior, how I can identify the behavior of a client and work and give my suggestions to a client. Now, since I said about health and happy, I'm sure just go through this left-hand side, the problems, and look at the probable cause. So are we blaming others or are we blaming ourselves? Just go to each and every one. Just, I am very sure someone from our family would be having this, and see the probable cause. Diabetes, longing for what might have been, a great need to control, deep sorrow, no sweetness left. जो चीज नहीं है हेल्थ में वो आ रही है. Kidney stones, lumps of undissolved anger, BP, long standing emotional problem not solved. Knee problems, we have a lot of people, friends, stubborn, ego, pride, inability to bend. Knee problems. Cancer, deep hurt, long steady resentment, carrying hatreds, constipations, refusing to release old ideas, eye problems, not liking what you see in your life, lower back problems, fear of money, lack of financial support, arthritis, feeling unloved, criticism, and resentment. And this is if I would recommend to read a book by Louis Hay, Heal Your Life, ये सारा वहीं से लिया है हमने. So इसका मतलब क्या है? आप ये सोचिए, all these are thoughts, all these are feelings, all this is what we've been seeing either to someone or to ourselves, and this is how this is happening. So if we have to remove this, the only thing is we need to change our thoughts. हम लोग का, I have taken a mission that, zero medical bills, and this can really happen just by changing thoughts, just by meditating, just by creating those. We can create a good health, we can create a good financial life, we can create a good relationship life. I have seen in my clients, because when I visit my clients, I see a lot of mismatch happening with the son and father, daughter and mother. I said this should not happen to my son or daughter. I will see to it that the relationship is maintained in a beautiful way. So what I need to do, and that's how the thought about doing NLP, the thought about doing mind power, and the relationship started growing between me, my son. I have a teenager son. So पहले जिस तरह से मैं बात करता था और जिस तरह से मुझे रिस्पॉन्स मिलता था, अब जिस तरह से मैं बात करता हूँ, जिस तरह से रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, I'm able to handle my own life in a beautiful way. I used to get literally very angry. Now I understood, kidney stone हो जाएगा हरीश, कम करो anger. So I have resolved myself, and we don't need to go to any doctor. This can be healed. There's one more book by Deepak Chopra, Quantum Healing. He also talks about the same thing. You can actually live for 150 years. We are designed to live for 150 years. But then what happens? We create all this. We create all negative emotions. Okay. Now, more 10 minutes. I can actually go on and go on. But then I need to respect the time that we have. Otherwise, I would have done. I would have gone ahead. I will just give you one technique, which is called emotional freedom technique. How many people have heard about this emotional freedom technique? If you can chat, how many people have heard about emotional freedom technique? Okay, Dipti ji have heard about it. Who else have heard? Say no if you have not heard. No. Okay, Naranji is saying no. Okay. Who else have heard? Okay, no. Okay, great. So do you want all your negative emotions to be removed just like in 5 minutes? If you really want to do that, just say yes. Great. Okay. If you want to remove anxiety, if you want to remove depression for you, for your son and daughter, for your clients, I'm getting clients, when I sit with a client, I don't talk about finance. I talk about their emotions and I do the EFT technique. The client is there with me for the rest of the life. मैंने उसका family को problem solve कर दिया. Finance तो आने ही वाला वैसे, कहीं जाने वाला नहीं. And basically, I have used it for myself. I've used it for my family, my extended family, and I've started using this to my clients. This is one tool and technique. I am just giving it to you. If you go today with this technique to yourself and go to a client, and then सबको anxiety है, सबको depression है, सबको fear है, सबको थोड़ा बहुत डर लगता है, ये सबको है, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है life में. So if I give you this technique, just use. Okay. Now, if you can see my screen, right? Okay. Just look at my screen. Okay. This is called an emotional freedom technique. This was actually done by a doctor by the name Roger Callahan in 1981 in US, and he tried to use this for removing phobias. So he had one lady जिनको पानी से बहुत डर लगता था, and being a psychotherapist, he tried all the techniques in the world, but उस lady को कभी भी पानी का डर निकला नहीं, and somehow he used this technique, which is basically a combination of Chinese acupuncture and modern psychology. And one day when he learned this, he tapped one particular point, eyes के नीचे, and he was talking to the lady, and suddenly he found that कि lady का phobia पानी का डर निकल गया. And then he was amazed कि 2 साल से इतना सब कुछ किया लेकिन हुआ नहीं. Just by tapping, how can it happen? And then he's read more. प्रॉब्लम उसके साथ ये हो गया कि सारे क्लाइंट्स का फोबिया या जो भी डर था वो एक सिटिंग में निकलने लग गया। तो जब एक सिटिंग में होने लग गया, निकलने लग गया, बिकॉज ही वाज अ साइकोथेरेपिस्ट, लोग उसके पास आने नहीं लगे, एंड देन द बिजनेस वेंट डाउन। देन he did what he did is he started teaching this. When he started teaching this, he started again getting money. His name is Roger Callahan. You can actually go and type. And he kept this technique as thought field therapy, TFT. बट इंजीनियर आया एक बंदा गैरी क्रेग करके, स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से, उसने बोला इतने पॉइंट्स में कैसे याद रखूंगा, मतलब अगर मुझे बुखार है तो मुझे यहाँ टैप करना है, मुझे सर्दी है तो यहाँ टैप करना है, मुझे पेट दर्द हो तो यहाँ टैप करना है, एंड इट वाज टू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. बीइंग एन इंजीनियर, ही सिंप्लीफाइड द प्रोसेस एंड ही कॉल्ड इमोशनल फ्रीडम टेक्निक. सो जितने भी इमोशंस आपके पास हैं, हम वो इमीडिएटली हम रिमूव कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो एनीवन वुड वांट टू रिमूव सम काइंड ऑफ एन एंजाइटी, कहीं कुछ पेन हो रहा है, कुछ डिप्रेशन है, इफ एनीवन इज देयर, ओके, वी कैन रिमूव नाउ. Anyone there? Yes, Dipti ji. Okay, okay. What is the pain, Dipti ji? What is the fear? What is lower neck? Okay, great. So what we're going to do is we're going to try for Dipti ji to remove the lower neck. And can you all see my screen, Dipti and all the other friends? Just type yes. Okay, great, great, great. So Dipti ji, when you're talking about the lower neck pain है आपका, so do you have an image of the lower neck? कि आपको ऐसे कुछ फीलिंग होता है, कहाँ पे पेन हो रहा है, कैसे कुछ इमेज आता है आपके पास आंखों में? Can you see those image? Can you feel that? Okay. No, you can't see those image in your, but you can feel the pain. Yes. Okay. Now, on a scale of 0 to 10, how much is the pain on a scale of 0 to 10? कोई भी एक नंबर बताइए. 6. Okay. So now we have a number. So supposing if you reduce a number from 6 to a lower number, that means your pain will start reducing, right? Okay. Now I will just do this. Can you see this hand, left hand? Can you see my left hand? Yeah. I would request everyone to look at this very, very carefully. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is this is called karate chop. Okay. Can you see this? Okay. So I'm going to tap this 35 times. And मेरे mind में यही बोलूँगा, या जोर से आप बोल सकते हो. Okay, we're going to create a statement. This is called a statement because we're going to remove this. Though I have a neck problem, Dipti ji, you can आप अपने मन में बोल सकते हो. Though I have a neck problem, but I still love myself. Repeat this statement for 3 times. Though I have a neck problems, and tap this for 35 times. Though I have a neck problem, I still love myself. Screen is stationary. Can you see my screen? Can you all see? Cannot see the activity? Okay. Who else cannot see? Yes. Can you see the screen? Right. So tap this for 35 times. Though I have a neck problem and I'm feeling really, really bad, बहुत pain हो रहा है, but I still love myself. I don't know why this neck pain is happening, but I still love myself. Tap this for 35 times, Dipti ji. And continuously आप उस feeling को महसूस करो 35 times. Once this is done, then we need to tap the more 8 points. The first point starts here, Dipti ji. ये eyebrows के बीच के अंदर जो 2 eyebrows है उसके बीच का जो point है, with 2 fingers you're going to tap gently 8 times and again say in your mind, why is this problem coming into me? Why this? Tap this for 8 points, 8 times. Then the second point is eyes के यहाँ पे. Just tap slowly. And think about the pain. सब लोग अपना अपना pain think कर लो and think about the pain. Why is this neck problem coming to me? मुझे बहुत pain होता है. I'm fed up this pain. Third point is below the eyes. Again tap gently for 8 times and think about the feeling. कितना pain हो रहा है. 8 times. Then below the nose, lips के ऊपर, type 8 times and think about the feeling. And feeling, बहुत सोचो क्यों हो रहा है इतना पेन. Type 8 times. Then ये जो है लोअर लिप्स के नीचे जो एक पार्ट है वहां पे टाइप करो 8 times. Okay, now collarbone type 8 times, collarbone 8 times, and think of the feeling, same feeling. अब सोचो क्या हो रहा है, why is this happening, why is this happening to me. 8 times करो. And then आपका यहाँ पे, can you see यहाँ पे 8 times. Think about that feeling. 8 times होने के बाद then come up. These are called all meridian points. सारे acupressure points हैं. You're just tapping on the meridian points and you're releasing the emotions. And when you're releasing the emotions, think about the pain. ये pain मुझे क्यों हो रहा है? So this is one set, Dipti ji. Now this you need to do for 9 times, Dipti ji. Okay. Now second set में आप इसको tap नहीं करोगे because this is done one. Now tap यहाँ पे eyebrows. Tap eyebrows. Can everyone do that? जिसको पेन हुआ है, yeah, just start tapping. Start with eyebrows 8 times. Think about the pain. Then come on to the eyes के यहाँ पे साइड में, eyes के नीचे, नोज के यहाँ पे, नोज के नीचे, लिप्स के नीचे, कॉलर बोन के यहाँ पे 8 टाइम्स, जस्ट कॉलर बोन के यहाँ पे, देन यहाँ पे 8 times, and then head. Do this for 8 times, Dipti ji. Feel the pain. सारे के सारे लोग जो भी पेन हो रहा है, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पेन को आप पकड़ लो, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस नेगेटिव इमोशंस. ये जो पेन है, ये जो फीलिंग है, जो भी डिप्रेशन आ रहा है या जो भी हो रहा है आप लोगों के साथ, जस्ट डू दैट. देन कम बैक ऑन द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. दीज आर 8 points. You need to repeat these 8 points. Then second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now दीप्ति जी बताइए, ऑन ए स्केल ऑफ 0 to, अभी आपका 6 था, अभी कितना हुआ है? ग्रेट दीप्ति जी. सी देखिए, सिर्फ थोड़ा देर ही किया तो आपका जो 6 लेवल का 3 हुआ. Wow, really great, Dipti ji. This is really great. So what you can do is you can start doing this till the time the pain comes down to 1 or 0. I'm so happy, Dipti ji, that you have, I'm able to help you. I'm really, really very, very happy. और किसी को अगर कम हुआ तो बता दीजिएगा. Okay, I'm really very, very happy. I'm really, really very, very happy. So this is a simple technique to remove your anxiety. This is a simple technique to remove your depressions. This is a simple technique to, अगर बच्चों को भी डर लग रहा है कुछ करने के लिए, you can teach the kids. If you need more details, you can always call me up. कनक जी के पास मेरा नंबर शेयर मिल जाएगा. I'm really to help you. This is one technique you can actually actually help people. Initially felt a lot of vibration through spine. Great, Ditya. I'm so happy that I could help you to do this. Yeah. Kanakji, with this, I really thank you from the bottom of my heart so that, I could share my learnings. If any questions, I am ready to take these questions and I'm ready for all the answers, Kanakji.
Amazing session, Harish. I think very, very refreshing. And I was also having a little headache and I was doing all those things. I was giving myself around 7 and the pain has reduced to 4. So,
Thank you very much. See, this, अगर आप 15-20 minutes करोगे ना कनक जी, निकल जाएगा. Imagine if we can do this for a child, how can we get good lessons? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Any questions?
Harish, you can just share your phone number and email address so that people can connect with you on social media and all, maybe in a chat box or whatever.
Okay.
And,
this is my number.
Thank you so much for the sharing. I think when Harish did his practitioner course with Dr. Richard Brander at London, and he posted on his social media, I congratulated him, and then the masters, and then now the NLP coach. So that is really amazing. He is a learner, and not only learning is enough, but again, sharing it is the best way, whatever we all learn. If that can be done, I think then it is worthwhile, whatever we learn, whatever we have learned. And that is what Harish is doing. So thank you so much, Harish, for sharing all that, whatever you have shared today. I am sure this is going to help each one of us in our practice, not maybe directly connected with mutual fund distribution business, but this is like the back end, okay, the software part. So,
yes.
So this is also very, very important.
Yeah.
So thank you very much, Harish, for this. And we thank you. Next week, what we have is another session. Another volatility coach who is also a big learner is Birenchi Sarangi. He has also spent, I think, over 42 lakh of rupees in his learning in last 2 years. And what he is learning, who are the coaches, who are the people. So that is what he is going to share. Along with that, we will also have a lot of learning on marketing. Okay, there can be varieties of marketing strategies, and that is what 6 of our panel speakers will be talking on. It can be a guerrilla marketing, it can be a marketing through business networking platforms. So what are the ways wherein we can market and we can bring our business or increase the business? So thank you very much, everyone. And this is the way we